Hi everyone, welcome to microbit. So let's create a new project now. So let's go to the Google Chrome. So now we see forever and on start. So go there. First let's go to variables. It's just the variable. Yeah. So we go to basic. So let we need them. And then go logic. Take F. So just put another one, LF. So show that here. Just do like this. So take this and here. So, oh, sounds good. And then two of them. Oh, no, sorry. So we go music, play, and then we go to variable and we take clear screen. Clear screen. Okay. Clear screen. Oh, screen. Clear screen. And then mystery. So we go on loop. Pick for time. Pick for time. And then when we look at JavaScript, here we go wait, block. Then we go basic, show number, and then put more. Okay, so and then when we on start, so we go to input to have more information. Button A is present and input we just go is button B is present. Go to just put this B, and if so when okay, now let's this one turn. If we put this one, oh skip. So button A, button A. So now button A. Okay, bye everyone to listening my video. Bye.